Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix a duplicate payment source on Discord in 2025. First thing you need to do is open Discord in a web browser. While the mobile app may not offer this functionality, you can easily manage payment methods through a browser on your computer or phone. Go to https://discord.com and log in. Next, once you're logged in, click the gear icon located at the bottom left of the Discord interface. In the user settings menu on the left sidebar, click on billing. You will see a list of your saved payment methods. Identify the duplicate entry you wish to remove. Then to the right of the payment method you want to remove, click the edit button. On the page displaying the payment method details, scroll down and click the delete payment method button. Then Discord will likely ask you to confirm that you want to remove the payment method, so confirm your decision, and that's it. The duplicate payment source should now be removed from your Discord account. Do not forget to consider subscriptions. If the duplicate payment method is currently associated with an active Discord Nitro or server subscription, you might need to change the payment method for the subscription first before you can remove the duplicate. You can manage your subscriptions in the subscription tab within user settings. After removing a payment method, you will need to re-enter your payment details if you wish to make further purchases on Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.